I like to drink water. I like to drink water. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. We're going to school. We're going to school. He likes to play football. He likes to play football. They are eating breakfast. They are eating breakfast. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. The weather is very hot today. The weather is very hot today. Please sit down. Please sit down. I need a pen. I need a pen. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? I am very happy. I am very happy. She is very kind. She is very kind. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. I want to go home. I want to go home. They are listening to music. They are listening to music. I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. She is cooking in the kitchen. She is cooking in the kitchen. We are playing games. We are playing games. I have a new book. I have a new book.